Hi, this is EURUSD 4-hour. I've drawn the trend line. Last week around this area, I got it wrong. The price has dropped. In any case, let me just go to 15 minutes and see what are the trades we could have taken. This was Monday, which there's nothing much. Tuesday, 1, 2, 3 times it was bouncing off these previous day low and it dropped. So here was the trade around 1:30 p.m. Then come on Wednesday, this is where I went wrong. I failed to see this market structure break here. Instead, I was looking at this side. I was looking at this market structure break, but this was not the correct one. Since price has moved so bullishly up, so this was like a stop hunt. So this was the break here. This was the break. This came about 5:15 p.m. and then price consolidated at the market structure break level going into the following day. Very early. This was very early. This was during European session opening. It dropped. And there was another entry here about 8 a.m. and this was another one here. In fact, if you're not sure of this is another one which is near the previous day low. This is the previous day low and it dropped. And Friday was retracement. There it dropped, previous day low. This is the Thursday. So Friday was a retracement because once it dropped, it tend to retrace. So this was the retracement. And now the only trade would have been here on this one. If I go to 5 minutes, when this low violated here, so a pullback once, twice, this is a third time, and it just dropped here. So this is the only trade that I could see. Assuming take from here, it's about 17 pips. So that was it. And now going back to 4-hour. So if price breaks this trend line and then give a pullback, a retracement, as long as the low is not violated, then I will look for a buy. So until then, now it's still a sell because it has not violated the trend line yet. This is GBPUSD. Looking at it carefully, it is actually trading in a range. This is last week's price action and this is the previous week. But I have drawn a trend line because this is the high, lower high, and there's another lower high. But the price has respected the support twice here. So going forward, I will take a trade if price breaks this trend line and give a retracement, breaks, give a retracement, then I will look for a trade around here. wherever the retracement is going to be. So this retracement can actually come in the form of double bottom this way and then move up, or this way, a higher low and move up. You can even break a little bit of this before moving up. So I'll just make it this way at the moment. So the same thing goes for all other pairs. And then let's see how we could have taken any trade last week. This was Monday. This is the high. There is a market structure break here. This is during New York. There was a trade here. And then going into Tuesday, price moved up and then came. It dropped here. This was during London Open. So this is the confirmation, market structure break. If it had taken here, it would have been a failed trade, thinking that this market structure is broken here, and then retracement taking along would have been a failed trade here. But this would have been a better trade. This is a low, market structure break here, retracement, and then there's another one more time here. This was during New York, and there's another one here, also during New York. And then Wednesday, as usual, always have weird price action. This was I think there was some news on this. So it's a market structure break here. This candle broke. This one closed outside, and then this the next candle. This was at 1 p.m. candle, 4-hour 1 p.m. candle retrace, and this would have been a trade here because it's also bouncing off from the support from the 4-hour. So there was a trade here. And then Thursday, I don't see any kind of convincing entry setup, but I can see it here. This low is violated here, and there's a nice kind of wick, like rejection, and then it dropped. And there's another pullback here. This was during London 10:45 a.m. and this one was 8:45 a.m. So this is the trade. And then Friday, not a good day, but it was just bouncing off from the support. Again it bounced off. So that's the only trade here, bouncing off from the support. Sorry. Still not bad, the pips. So this one was 11:30. This must be a news candle. So that is the trade entries for GBPUSD. This is the Friday price action. So let's see how price is going to unfold in the coming days, and I would look for this kind of setup. For the other pairs that I'm going to show, I won't be talking. I'm just going to show this break of trend line this way. So hope that will be clear.